Binomial coefficients are the coefficients that we look at when we take something and expand it. So here we have x plus y cubed. Now, typically, you're going to have to take x plus y times x plus y times x plus y. And so you have to box this out and then take that answer and box it out with that one. And this is the answer you would get. Now, binomial coefficients are the coefficients in every term. So this is technically a 1, so we have a 1 for that coefficient, a 3 here, a 3 here, and then a 1 here. Those are binomial coefficients. And there's various ways of finding them. One of them is that these can be looked at as, you know how you have like NCR? Or a lot of times you go NCR this way and choose R that way. Well, you can find those by doing this. So notice that's a 3 there. So for all of these, I'm going to use this parenthesis version. I'm going to put a 3 at the top. And then on the bottom, I start with 0 and I work my way up to 3. And when you plug those in your calculator, they'll give you the 1, the 3, and the 1. The other way you can find them is by using Pascal's triangle. Now, Pascal's triangle starts at the 1, and every row starts at the 1, and then they start getting more interesting after this. So then I go 1, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two together, and so that gives me 2, so I put a 2 below, and then end it with a 1. And I keep on doing that, 1, and then I'll add these two together, that gives me a 3. Add the next two together, I get a 3, and then a 1. And I keep on going that way. And what happens is I have to the 3rd power, so I'm going to use the one with the 3 right away. If it was to the 4th power, I'd use this one. And you'll notice that those coefficients match up with the coefficients up here. And so there's two ways to find those coefficients, using the Pascal's triangle or using this binomial stuff. Now, the rest of this, I'm going to explain more in the expand version on how you can get the rest of it. That's just how you get those coefficients.